Welcome to Luxo-Life. Did you know you can break free from negative thoughts and emotions in just 31 minutes using Trevor Moawad's proven method? In this video, you will learn how negative thoughts and emotions can overpower positive ones and hold you back. We'll show you why your mind tends to focus on the negative and how this can stop you from moving forward. You'll discover simple, practical ways to shift your mindset to a more neutral state, one that helps you see things more clearly and work toward the changes you want in your life. Stick with the video until the end, and you'll get actionable tips you can start using right away to boost your mental strength and improve your everyday performance. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. Understanding the damage of negative thoughts. First thing that we have to understand is how negative thoughts can really hold you back. When your mind is filled with doubt and discouragement, it can affect the way you act and even lead to self-sabotage. This kind of thinking not only stops you from trying new things, but can also lower your overall performance, making it hard to achieve your goals. Consider the example of a basketball player who ended up giving up on his dream of playing professionally. His negative thoughts made him believe that he was not good enough, which kept him from pushing himself further. This shows just how damaging a pessimistic outlook can be. It stops progress and leaves potential unfulfilled. There's also a real-life story about a man trapped in a refrigerated boxcar. Instead of finding a way out, he spent his time writing down his worries. This behavior illustrates how holding on to negative emotions can have serious consequences. It creates a cycle of inaction and despair that can make it nearly impossible to move forward. Embracing neutral thinking. Now that we've understood the damage of negative self-talk, let's talk about neutral thinking. It's all about viewing situations without letting emotions like fear or doubt take over. It means taking a step back and looking at things as they are, rather than labeling them as good or bad. By embracing this approach, you break the hold that negative thinking has over you, letting you see challenges with a clear mind. Adopting neutral thinking is crucial because it stops you from getting trapped in a cycle of negativity. Instead of letting past failures or harsh judgments control your actions, neutral thinking helps you focus on what you can do today. This way, you free yourself from the habit of dwelling on negative thoughts that only hold you back. Consider the example of the SAT score mix-up. Many people believe that a low test score from the past defines their future, but the real lesson is that past results are just numbers. They do not determine your true potential. What really matters is how you act and learn from those experiences, proving that your behavior shapes your future, not a single test score or negative label. The power of positive self-talk and goal setting. It's time to talk about positivity after talking about negative thoughts and neutral thinking. When you begin to change your inner dialogue and set clear goals, you open the door to improve daily actions and long-term success. Positive self-talk helps you focus on your strengths and achievements while setting SMART goals, those that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound, gives you a clear roadmap for progress. Positive self-talk is more than just affirmations. It's about treating yourself kindly and reinforcing the belief that you can overcome challenges. When you speak positively to yourself, you build the mental resilience needed to break away from old negative habits. Coupled with goal setting, this approach turns your thoughts into actions that lead to real, measurable change in your behavior over time. Top athletes offer great examples of how powerful this combination can be. Michael Johnson, for instance, used focused self-talk and clearly defined goals to bounce back from setbacks and become one of the fastest runners ever. Drew Brees set precise, measurable targets to guide his training, which helped him excel as a quarterback. Even Bradley Cooper has spoken about how setting clear personal and professional goals has driven his growth as an actor. These examples show that with positive self-talk and well-planned goals, you can shape your future, no matter where you start. By adopting this approach, you can gradually shift your mindset and turn daily habits into lasting achievements. Unpacking the illusion of choice. Now, have you ever feel like you have an infinite number of options, only to realize later that your choices are really limited by your own mindset and objectives? It might seem like the world is full of endless possibilities, but in reality, our past experiences and personal beliefs shape the options we consider. This is the illusion of choice, a feeling that you can do anything, while deep down your goals and habits actually narrow the path you take. When you start to connect this idea with positive self-talk and clear goal setting, you begin to see that not all choices are equal. Our inner dialogue can make us believe we have all the time and all the options in the world, but this often leads to indecision and stress. By focusing on what truly matters, you can cut through the clutter and zero in on the goals that are most achievable. Take Vince Carter's perspective on this matter. Vince once explained that while it might seem like there are endless possibilities on the court, in truth, the choices are finite, guided by the reality of the game and his personal strategy. This idea reminds us that by recognizing our limited options, we can better channel our energy toward the goals we set. It shows that when you narrow down your choices, you can work more effectively toward real progress. By understanding the illusion of choice, you can learn to focus on what really matters and avoid spreading yourself too thin. Real-world application. Business and e-commerce insights. Let's apply these principles to real-world success. Trevor Moawad puts these ideas into practice in his yoga business by using e-commerce techniques that help him grow and connect with his audience. His approach shows that business success can start with clear, focused behavior and smart digital strategies. In his business, Trevor uses social media to reach more people and share valuable insights about yoga and positive thinking. By posting regularly on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, he builds a community that trusts him and looks forward to his updates. This steady online presence is a key part of his strategy. Trevor also leverages email marketing to keep his customers engaged. Through carefully crafted emails, he shares tips, updates, and special offers that add real value to his audience. This kind of intentional communication helps maintain strong relationships and encourages steady growth both in his business and in his personal development. Overcoming the fear of external opinions. Having said all of these, we cannot change the fact that people will always say something. When you let their opinions get to you, it keeps negative emotions alive and makes it hard to move forward. Worrying about what others think builds a barrier that holds you back, trapping you in self-doubt and discouragement. It's important to remember that our brain can focus on only one emotion at a time. When you allow fear and anxiety about others' opinions to take over, you miss the chance to feel something positive instead. Tuning out these negative voices gives you the freedom to clear your mind and focus on what really matters to you. Ignoring the noise of external opinions can make a big difference in your day-to-day life. When you stop overthinking what others say, you create space for building confidence and making choices that align with your own goals. This shift in focus lets you engage in intentional behavior that not only boosts your personal growth but also helps you achieve long-term success. Now that you've learned how neutral thinking and strategic behavior can help you break free from those negative thought patterns, it's time to take control of your mindset and start seeing real, lasting change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Make sure to subscribe to Luxo-Life and hit the bell for more practical advice, inspiration, and tools to keep growing. One step at a time. Stay tuned, Luxo lovers.